when Muhammad came about?
Okay. Well, when our Prophet Muhammad, peace be on him, when he came, the religion was completed. It didn't start it there, but it was completed.
Okay.
And if you read like the Quran, you would see names of the prophets, of a lot of prophets, like like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, all kind of prophets are in the Quran mentioned. So then it is logic. It didn't start it with Muhammad. It started way back before, and all the prophets, they had the same message to obey one God. One
Right.
God.
That's the belief.
And yeah, exactly. So it didn't start it with Muhammad.
Well,
Muhammad just
that's the
completed
claim.
our deen.
Yeah,
He just completed
that's
our
the claim.
religion.
That's the claim. So
No,
that's why
that's the fact.
I'm challenging
That's
that.
the fact. It's not the claim, but that's the fact.
Okay, so very
We
good.
believe
So
in it.
if that's a fact, I'm
Yeah,
asking
we
for
Muslim.
hold on. Since
Yeah.
that's a fact, I'm
Mhm.
asking for the proof of that. For example, Jesus. Show me
Yeah.
that Jesus was also a Muslim.
Well, Jesus, he preached the same message.
All right, can you
The
show me
same
that?
message. What? I'm sorry.
Can you show me that? That he
I
has the
cannot
same
show you
message?
that.
Is
No, I
Islam?
cannot show you that. But you know what he preaches, right? You know what his words were, and he only preaches love and peace and to be to be good with people who needed.
Yeah, that's the opposite of
They
Islam,
need
bro.
food exactly, and like
That's the opposite of Islam. He taught the
I'm
opposite of
sorry.
his. He taught the opposite
No,
of Islam.
that's not the opposite of Islam. That's you're wrong. You're wrong with that.
Is Jesus
Prove
the
me
son
that.
of God, bro?
No, he's not the son of God.
Jesus taught that he was the son of God. That's
No,
the
where did he say he's the son of God? If you look at the translation of the Bible, and it is translated, because it's not the original form. How you read it now? You read it in English now.
No, I can show
You
you in
don't
the
read
I
it
can show you in the Greek because it's written in the Greek.
Yeah, but you don't read it in the original form.
Yeah, the original form is the Greek.
They
And
didn't speak
the
English
original form is
in
the
that
Greek.
time.
Oh, excuse me. The original
Yeah.
form is the Greek, and Jesus
Mhm.
says, "I am the Son of God" in the Greek.
It is not the Greek. It is the Aramaic.
Can you show me that?
They spoke Aramaic in that time.
How do you know that?
That's the history, man.
Based off what?
You can look it up. You can look it up.
Yeah, what is that history based off
The
of?
time of Jesus, even the name
My,
of
my
Jesus.
friend, I hear what you're saying.
Listen to me.
No,
Listen,
I hear what you're saying.
No.
Pause.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Because
Now I had to mute you. When I tell you to hold on, you wait. Okay. So I'm gonna let you speak once you now get to answer the question. Where do you get it from? What is this history? What is your source of history? Where you get this information from that Jesus spoke Aramaic? Now you can speak. That's all I want. I want that answer. You probably don't know that you're muted. Go ahead. You can speak. What is this source of information, this source of history, where you get this that Jesus spoke Aramaic? What's the source?
what is the source? You can find it everywhere, my friend.
Where?
You can. I don't know exactly the source,
Got it.
but
I could tell you.
but
I could tell you.
yeah, okay, you can tell me.
Do you know where they get it from?
No, well,
They get it from the Bible. These Greek New Testament writings that tell you Jesus spoke Aramaic. That's where they get it from.
who's getting it from? Who?
All of historians who study Jesus and understand that
Mm-hmm.
he spoke Aramaic get it from the New Testament Bible, the Greek New Testament that tells you he spoke Aramaic.
Possibly, it is a part of from the Bible, but if you go back, the original form of what Jesus preached, it wasn't English, it wasn't Greek. He spoke Aramaic and probably a little bit of like Hebrew, you
Do
know,
you do you
because
do you have Jesus's words in the Quran?
yeah, we have the
How
words
do
of
you have his words in the Quran? He didn't speak Arabic.
I'm sorry.
How do you have his words in the Quran when he didn't speak Arabic?
Because our God Allah he talks in
Ah,
Arabic.
so I could say the same thing. Our God, Yahweh, inspired the disciples, the gospel writers, in the Greek and wrote down what Jesus said in the
But
language that was
who are
common to the tongue.
who are the gospel writers?
Who are the
they?
writers of the
Are
Quran?
they messengers of God?
Yes.
Are they mentioned in the Bible?
Yes.
Where?
Here you go. The Gospel of Matthew.
But now you're
Matthew,
telling me
hold on.
Matthew he wrote the gospel,
Matthew
right?
wrote God the gospel according to Jesus
Okay,
of
so he
Matthew.
wrote it himself, so he can
Yeah.
talk also about himself.
And so
He
here it
can say,
is.
I'm a
Matthew the
messenger of
tax
God.
collector. Hold on, excuse me. You asked a question.
Yeah.
Matthew is one of the original 12 disciples of Jesus. Who wrote the Quran?
What do you mean? Who wrote the Quran?
The same question that you gave me when I told you, oh, yeah, so God inspired the disciples, the apostles, to write down the gospel. And your question was, well, who wrote it? Who are they? And I gave you one of the names. So I'm asking you, same thing. You said that the people who wrote in the Quran record words of Jesus that he never spoke because he never spoke Arabic. But God, you believe that God revealed it, and people wrote the Quran. My question is, who wrote it?
Well, Muhammad didn't wrote it because he couldn't write.
Oh man, so that's even worse. So
he
it wasn't written by the
memorized
prophet himself. So who wrote it?
He memorized it. Listen to me. He memorized
No.
it.
Who wrote it?
And the companions who were with him, they also memorized it, and some of them wrote it down. And
wait, are the
some
companions
they
messengers?
opened the Quran.
Are the companions messengers?
No, they weren't.
But they're writing the Quran?
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Oh, but you challenged Matthew for writing the gospel, and he's a messenger.
Yeah, but
Matthew.
That's different.
Okay, so Matthew. So can you admit then that Matthew has more credit?
No.
Wait,
Listen to me.
can you admit then? Can you admit that Matthew has more credit than the companions of Muhammad who are not messengers?
No, not at all.
Why not? Why not? Matthew's a messenger.
Because was Matthew at the time of Jesus living?
Yeah, he's one of the disciples.
One of the. How do you know?
Because it says it right here in the gospel. He's one of the disciples.
Because it's in the gospel.
Right here. And he called to him his 12 disciples and gave them authority over unclean spirits to cast them out and to heal every disease and affliction. The names of the 12 apostles are these: Simon, called Peter, Andrew, his brother, James, the son of Zebedee, John, his brother, Philip and Bartholomew, Thomas, and Matthew, the tax collector, James, the son of Alphaeus, Thaddeus, Simon the Zealot, and Judas Iscariot, who betrayed him. These 12, Jesus sent out. So they're messengers. Jesus sent them as messengers.
Jesus sent them as a message, but you believe Jesus is God, right?
Absolutely. It shows it right here. Only God has the ability to send messengers, right?
You believe Jesus is God, but
yeah.
he's also the Son of God.
Yeah, only God has the ability to send messengers, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Right. So this is Jesus showing you he's God because he's sending messengers.
Where does he say he's sending messages?
These 12 Jesus sent out, instructing them.
How do you know? How do you know that?
It's in the gospel. I just read it. So do you see, my friend? Do you see the amount of skepticism, hyper skepticism that you have with the gospel and the messengers of the gospel? But you don't have this. But you don't have. Let me finish. Let me finish. But you don't have the same skepticism when it comes to your Quran and how it was written.
Exactly. Our Quran is preserved, my friend. It's not like
really
the Bible.
But it wasn't written by a prophet or a messenger.
No, that's what I said. The prophet was what he couldn't write. You know.
So it was written by non-prophets and non-messengers, right?
Every time when the angel came down and he gave him the revelation of the Quran, you know, He memorized it.
So your
The
Quran
companions-
is
the
written
companions
down
who were
by
sitting with him,
non-messengers,
they
correct?
wrote it down.
So
They weren't
it's written
messengers.
down by
They weren't
non-messengers, right?
messengers. No, they weren't messengers. You don't.
Okay,
there's a
so
difference.
listen to the question.
There's a difference, my friend.
Listen to the.
You-
Oh,
it's a
you're
heavy
right. It is
difference
different.
between-
So you have the
there is a-
gospel that's written by messengers, and you have the Quran that's written by non-messengers. Which one should I go with?
So you compare so you compare like the prophets with the gospel writers.
Yeah, they're messengers.
They're messengers.
So which one should I go with? The one that's written by messengers or the one that's written by non-messengers? Which one should I go with?
I don't know. You choose.
Well, okay, would it be fair if I went with the one that's written by messengers?
Maybe.
Okay, good.
If that's your point of view.
Okay, cool.
I don't know.
All right, cool. So don't question me about the gospel again. I follow the messengers. Okay?
Yeah, okay, but
You don't.
That's your point of view. We can discuss this, but that's your.
So
point
don't
of view.
question that then.
We Muslims believe something else.
No worries, but I want you
We believe
dude.
not anymore
It's
in the
going over your
original-
head. What I
it's
want you
not
to do,
anymore
my
in the
friend,
presi-
what I want you
it's
to
not
do
anymore in the-
is
in the
stop
original
using
form.
double standards as a Muslim. Stop
No,
it.
I'm not using double standards.
Yes, you are. You're showing
No,
your
I'm
standards
not.
are hypocritical
But you're-
because you want me to be
You're
to hold. Stop talking over me. You want me to uphold to your standards, but you don't want to follow the same standards that you put onto me.
Yeah, but you want me to.
He
follow
said,
your
"Yeah, but."
standards.
He said,
Why-
"Yeah,
why-
but."
Why do you?
Yeah, but you don't get it. If you're going to establish standards and put them on me, then you also go by these standards. And I'm showing you that by your own standards, your religion falls. Your own standards, your own questions. Who wrote the gospel? Who wrote the Quran? Messengers wrote the gospel. Did messengers write the Quran? No. So go with the gospel, drop the Quran. How can you trust the Quran if it wasn't written by messengers?
No, that's your point of view. That's
Logic.
That's the discussing. That's the discussion we and you we have.
Logic. That's what it is.
That's not logic.
It's
That's not
logic.
Yeah, from you it's logic.
Logic.
But from us, it's not logic. So we believe, we Muslims, we don't believe the Bible is in its original form.
And I don't believe that the Quran is in its original form.
That's your right. That's not the problem. That's your right.
No, it's not. Not if it's not true.
We believe it is preserved. From the time of our prophet till
Yeah,
now. So
I believe in the original Quran.
Nothing has been changed. Nothing has been changed.
I know you believe that. I believe in the original Quran before it was tampered with.
What? I'm sorry.
I believe in the original Quran before it got corrupted.
When is it corrupted then?
It was corrupted during the time of Uthman when he burned the copies of the Quran.
How do you know that?
The Hadith, Sahih al-Bukhari tells me that.
No. Don't start with that, man. Don't
Logic.
start with that because you're just making up some things now.
Oh,
From where do you have this? Yeah, of course.
You think I'm making it up? You never heard
Yeah,
that?
of course.
You never heard that Uthman had the Qurans burned?
No. We don't believe in that, my friend.
Really? Let me show you. We're going on a trip. Logic. Guys, help me out. What is that hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari that talks about? Never mind. I'll see if I could whole copies be burned.
Even if you burn all the Qurans on the world, in less than 1 hour, we bring back the Quran in its original form, my friend.
I found it. You ready?
Kids.
You ready?
Kids who are 5 years old, they know the whole Quran. They memorize it.
Which one?
It's not like the Bible,
Which one? Hafs, Warsh? Which one do they memorize? Because they contradict each other.
Original Quran, my friend. The whole
Which one do they memorize?
The original one.
All right.
We have one.
Watch this.
We don't have thousands.
My friend.
We don't
My
have
friend,
John,
my friend,
Luther,
my
Mark,
friend,
King.
my
We
friend,
don't have that,
my
man.
friend,
We have only
my
one.
friend. You're in panic mode and autopilot mode right now. Relax. Relax. I have the hadith.
I am relaxing, but
All right. So be quiet
don't
while
have
I
to
read the
make up
hadith.
lies, you know. You only lying.
Be quiet while I read the hadith. Thank you. This is Sahih
Listen,
Al-Bukhari. Learn something, bro.
listen.
Learn something, bro.
Yo.
You said I'm a liar. I'm showing you that I'm not
Logic.
lying.
Logic.
Can I show you that I'm not lying?
Logic.
Can I show you that I'm not lying?
Be respectful. Don't try to.
Can I show you that I'm not lying?
You hear what I'm saying?
You called me a liar, and now you're interrupting me and over talking me while I'm trying to show you the proof.
You lie all the time.
Okay, so why don't you be respectful? Be quiet. How about this? How about I just shut you up? How about I shut you up? Here we go. Now you're in panic mode. Don't unmute your mic. You unmute your mic, you're out of here. Shut up. Get out of here. Here we go. I'll just do this for the rest of the people so they can see it. Sahih Al-Bukhari, 4987. Narrated Anas bin Malik. Here we go. Hudayfa bin Ali Yaman came to Uthman at the time when the people of Sham and the people of Iraq were waging war to conquer Armenia. Hudayfa was afraid of their differences in the recitation of the Quran. Wait, I thought they all memorized it the same way. I thought they all memorized it the same way, y'all. That's what I thought. That's what I was just told. They all memorized it the same way. Differences in the recitation of the Quran. So he said to Uthman, "Oh, chief of believers, save this nation. Save us before they differ about the book as the Jews and the Christians did before. Save us! Save us, please." So Uthman sent a message to Hafsa saying, "Send us the manuscripts of the Quran so that we may compile the Quranic materials in perfect copies and return the manuscripts to you." Hafsa sent it to Uthman. Uthman then ordered Zayd bin Thabit, Abdullah bin Azubair, Sayyid bin Alas, and Abdul Rahman bin Hisham to rewrite the manuscripts in perfect copies. Now what happens next? Uthman said to the three Qurayshi men, "In case you disagree with Zayd bin Thabit on any point in the Quran," why would they disagree? It's just one, right? So I'll ask you, why would they disagree? It's just one Quran. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just follow me. I got you. If you disagree with Zayd bin Thabit on any point in the Quran, then write it in the dialect of Quraysh. The Quran was revealed in their tongue. Okay, Uthman. They did so. And when they had written many copies, Uthman returned the original manuscripts to Hafsa. Uthman sent to every Muslim province one copy of what they had copied and ordered, here it is, and ordered that all the other Quranic material, whether written in fragmentary manuscripts or whole copies, be burned. Logic, you're lying. Your Uthman had entire copies of Qurans burned, rewrote it in his image and what he liked. If they disagreed, said just, copy it in the Qurayshi dialect and burn the rest. Burn it all. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, burn, baby, burn. And they get mad at us or at other non-Muslims who have Quran burnings. Uthman did it. Guys, if I were to ever get so mad that I end up burning a Quran, y'all better not be mad at me. Uthman did it. Hashtag Uthman did it. Y'all should be mad at him. He burned the Qurans, had them corrupted, and now the original Quran doesn't exist anymore. Now what you have is tampered with and corrupted. Your Quran says that they make the Quran. Your Quran says people make the Quran into shreds, parts.